Artificial intelligence is no longer just a futuristic idea or a research experiment. It is now moving directly into the heart of global finance. One company leading this shift is Anthropic, the creator of the Claude AI models. In recent months, Anthropic has made bold moves to bring AI directly into financial workflows, from spreadsheets and financial modeling to enterprise analytics and insurance. In this video, we'll explore how Anthropic is bringing AI to finance, what tools they're launching, who they're partnering with, and why this matters for the future of money, markets, and financial jobs. Anthropic is a San Francisco-based artificial intelligence company, founded by former OpenAI researchers. Their flagship product is Claude, a family of large language models designed with a strong focus on safety, transparency, and controllability. Unlike many AI systems built purely for speed or scale, Anthropic emphasizes explainable AI, meaning the system shows how and why it reaches conclusions. This philosophy is especially important in finance, where trust, auditability, and accuracy are non-negotiable. Finance is one of the most data-heavy industries in the world. Analysts spend countless hours inside spreadsheets, cleaning data, checking formulas, running scenarios, and building models. Much of this work is repetitive, but also extremely sensitive to error. This makes finance a perfect environment for AI assistants, not to replace humans, but to augment their speed, accuracy, and decision-making. Anthropic recognized this opportunity and decided not to build standalone finance software, but instead to embed AI directly into the tools finance professionals already use. One of Anthropic's most important moves into finance is Claude for Excel. Excel remains the backbone of global finance, from investment banking to accounting to startups. Claude for Excel allows users to interact with spreadsheets using natural language. Instead of manually writing complex formulas, you can ask Claude to build models, debug errors, or explain calculations step by step. The AI doesn't just give answers, it shows which cells it touched and why. This level of transparency is critical in finance, where decisions must be traceable and auditable. Analysts can now build discounted cash flow models, scenario analysis, and forecasts in minutes instead of hours. This marks a major shift in how AI is used. Claude is no longer just a chatbot, it is becoming a financial assistant embedded inside workflows. Rather than copying data back and forth between tools, finance professionals can work directly where the data lives. This reduces friction, minimizes errors, and dramatically increases productivity. In many ways, this represents the beginning of AI-augmented finance, where humans remain in control, but AI handles the heavy lifting. AI is only as good as the data it can access. To solve this, Anthropic has partnered with major data and infrastructure providers. One key partnership is with London Stock Exchange Group, allowing Claude to work with licensed financial data. Another major move is Anthropic's collaboration with Snowflake, embedding Claude into enterprise data warehouses. This allows companies to build AI agents that analyze real-time financial and operational data securely. The result is an AI that can reason with up-to-date information, not just static knowledge. Anthropic's push into finance extends beyond banking and investing. Companies like Travelers Insurance are using Claude to enhance engineering, analytics, and risk assessment. This signals a broader trend: AI is becoming central to underwriting, claims analysis, fraud detection, and operational decision-making. Finance is no longer siloed. AI connects risk, operations, and strategy into a single intelligent layer. Anthropic's expansion into finance is backed by massive investor confidence. The company is raising tens of billions of dollars and is now valued among the most powerful AI companies in the world. This funding allows Anthropic to scale infrastructure, expand partnerships, and deepen enterprise integrations. More importantly, it signals that AI in finance is no longer experimental, it is becoming standard. Anthropic's move into finance shows us where the industry is heading. Finance professionals who learn to work with AI will outperform those who resist it. The future is not human versus AI, it is human plus AI. Tools like Claude don't replace judgment, they enhance it. And as AI becomes embedded into everyday financial tools, understanding how to use it responsibly becomes a core financial skill.